Welcome back everyone to day 10 of our Python 0 to Pro series. Today we enter one of the most important powerful parts of Python, file handling. By the end of this video, you will know how to read and write and modify files, and you'll even build a simple notes app completely in Python. So, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and let's jump right in. So, what's file handling? File handling means interacting with files stored on your computer, reading data, writing new data, modifying text, and more. Python makes it super easy using built in open bracket function. The basic syntax is open, file name, and the mode. So, before I just show you the syntax, I will like to share out the common modes. They read, write, append, and read plus write. So let's just show you the syntax. Create a new notebook. Excellent, it has opened. Let Python run for once, and then we'll just start coding. Open bracket file name. So, well, now what's the file name? We'll have to create that, comma, the mode. Excellent. So over here, you don't write the mode. You don't write mode. You write the mode name. So they are R for read, um W for write, A for append, and R plus for read plus writing. We'll just put them in hashtag, 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 hashtag. Excellent. Now, let's move on. Let's say you have called a file called notes.txt. So it becomes file is equal to open notes.txt comma r, which is the function to read it. Now, right now, I have actually done it on Google Collab, but it won't work on Google Collab. That is why I will just switch my screen off to VS Code, and then we'll just continue. Give me one. Yeah, right. So now I have opened VS Code. Even you will have to open VS Code for this because this actually is depending upon the system. So, well, we don't have a system on Google Collab. That's why we can't do file handling on Google Collab. And that's why I've opened it over here. Now, it's a new text file. You will just have to rename it. Well, you can't rename it. Wait, that's sad. But that's JSON. Uh, New file, files.py. Here in downloads, edit file. Don't save, and yep. Apologies for the delay. Excellent. Now let's just continue with the work. Now we'll create a new text file over here. Let's say we'll keep some information as uh, our name and our date of birth, and we'll just store it over there. Details dot txt. Excellent. I'll just put Yatharth Kelkar, born in 2010. Control. Excellent. Now we will access the file and the contents inside the file using this function, which is file equal to equal to open bracket or details dot txt in the double quotes. Excellent. After that, we put a comma and we just want to read it. We don't want to write it, so we just put read, and then yep, that's it. Perfect. Now we hit the enter button, and over here we tell make a new variable content equal to file dot read then the parenthesis down. Next we print the variable which is content. You have to do both of these steps. These are really important. One, the content is equal to file.read. Like you have to create a variable and you have to assign the file's value to the variable. That's one very important thing. And second important thing is file.close. You don't want the file to be open even after you are done. First, let's just remove this. We don't want Python to get confused and make a bug in our program. So dot read gives you the entire file. There are also other useful methods like dot read line and yeah, okay. Well, what is the error? There's no such file called details.txt. Okay, well, that's kind of crazy. And there is a file called details.txt. Um, well, Python does give you such kind of hiccups in the middle, but well, this kind of a weird one, details.txt, not found. Okay, no such file or directory found. That's honestly crazy, but okay. D dot txt. Okay. Let me remove the txt part. Yeah, shouldn't have worked, and it didn't work. Fine. Dot txt. Save the file and run the file again. Okay, well, it's not found. That basically means there's some kind of error in it, and I can't really understand what kind of error this is. Alright, apologies. Maybe I can figure it out by the next Python masterclass. I'll just continue with it. So, but Python continuously writing close is boring. So, Python gives us a cleaner approach with the statement with open, the file name and r or the basically the mode as file content is equal to file.read and then print a content. After that, the file closes. It's much more cleaner, more useful, but well, I mean, I prefer using the normal traditional method. Now, how about writing files? Now, well, writing files is also the same. It's just slightly different, and that's what we have to do. With open, over here we'll have to put the file name, which is details in this case, details or text, write, which is the mode, and then file.write is the first node. So, well, in the file.write, basically the write mode, it's pretty simple what it does. Instead of just writing, instead of just like reading it, it actually writes the text over here. Then it's still showing the same error. Next one is app ending. Now, well, app ending is pretty simple as well. It's just that we have to remove the W and put a instead of a W. And over here, what does the append do? Append just adds it while write, removes all other remaining items in the file and just adds this part up. So that's the thing. Section 5, working with text files is pretty simple, but like it comes with like some little bit of difficulties. So yeah, you just have to make sure that you don't do that. Now we can make a notes app over here. Uh, you have to make it. So basically, you create the text file and then you write a new note, then view notes, then add a note, and then an exit option. So when a person writes a new note, he'll have to like you have to make sure that everything is removed and a new note is added. And then add a note is like you just add a note without deleting the previous stuff, and view notes is just like viewing the notes. And then after that, you have to ask the user for a choice, and well, that's it. So that's how you have to make it. Again, solution will be on GitHub, and I'm extremely sorry about the uh, error on Python. I will figure that out most probably by next Python masterclass. I will give you an answer to it. Apologies for the delays in the video recording, but I've been caught up with other things. Um, Thank you for watching. Uh, you have successfully completed day 9. Now you know how to work with files, a skill used in every real world Python project. In the next video, we'll cover modules and packages and start organizing Python code like real developers. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss day 11. You're watching HTML, CSS, and Python. Have a very